It began as a dream over a decade ago, but today's groundbreaking ceremony turned the vision of a new South Niagara Hospital into a reality.
And I'm so grateful to this Premier and to this team and to this government to following through on their commitments.
Nick Wallenda taught us a good lesson 11 years ago. Never give up. And that's what we did. We never gave up no matter what. Every time someone threw an obstacle, well, you need more land. We went and got more land. Well, you need more money. We raised more money. You know, it's a new government. Talk to the new government. Didn't matter what they put, it was non-negotiable. This council, I give them credit, they stood behind this. And we know healthcare's, it's not cheap, but boy, when you need it, you're so grateful that you have it. This is an investment in our futures for generations.
Considerable time has gone into preparing the site for the build, as well as the vision for the hospital when it begins operation.
They've started the site clearing, so they'll be putting their construction trailers on site in about a month's time, and then they'll actually start the foundation work later this fall, early winter.
Are you anticipating any challenges?
None. The process has gone really smoothly. Elfdon is a great company to work with, and the team is really supportive.
We're very excited by what we've seen. We've been involved in actually helping to select the architects and who's going to be constructing it, the artwork that's in the space, what the spaces are going to be like, how they're going to move, how patients are going to move, how doctors and staff are going to move in the hospital site. And all of that has been based around natural law and our relation to the land. And the depictions actually of Indigenous history are going to be part of this project, even the construction of the building.
The groundbreaking brought out a who's who's list of Niagara politicians, officials, and donors.
Well, it's greatly needed. You can't overspend on health care. Everybody's talking about health care, and it's about time we have a new hospital in South Niagara to serve this area of the city. We've got a beautiful new hospital in St. Catharines, and I think it's time for the South End to have facilities equivalent to ours. So very proud to be a supporter of this hospital.
When you ask the community to give up their hard-earned dollars to support a hospital, and we have an opportunity to create work for 4 or 5 years in this area, an area that needs good-paying jobs, I think that's the next phase that I'm going to talk about. And then the other thing is, yes, it's great news today, but this hospital is going to take between 5 and 6 years to get built. We still have to make sure that the residents that we have here today have access to health care throughout our communities, whether that's in Fort Erie and Welland and Port Colborne. We can't just say, well, we got a new hospital and not have those services. So I think it's important. So there's the 3 things. Great day for Niagara. The second thing is let's make sure it's local workers, local businesses as we build this. And the third thing is we got to make sure we continue to have access to health care for all the residents in Niagara until the hospital is built and beyond.
Well, I think this announcement that it's actually happening, that's going to reassure us when the next level of people we start talking to. So I think the timing's great. You know, we're kind of past COVID now, which was a bit of a hindrance in trying to do some fundraising, and with things settling with the economy after COVID, and now with the groundbreaking, timing's perfect. So I think it's all positive, and look forward to more success in the near future.
And this area is going to completely gentrify, and just like they did in St. Catharines, St. Catharines West was barren. There was nothing going on. And then all of a sudden, it became the place to be, the place to invest. That's exactly what's going to happen. We've got so much developable land to grow south and to grow west, and this is going to be the catalyst for further development.
With formalities now complete, work will begin on the site in hopes of a summer 2028 opening. In Niagara Falls, reporting for The Source, I'm Lori Taraba.